How can organizations promote diversity and inclusivity in AI development teams to prevent bias in AI algorithms? And what ethical responsibilities do they have in fostering diversity?
Promoting diversity in AI development teams requires inclusive hiring practices and diverse perspectives. Organizations bear the ethical responsibility to create inclusive environments that prioritize diversity, equity, and inclusion in AI development.
Explain the ethical considerations when using AI in energy management and conservation, including issues related to resource allocation and environmental sustainability. How can these technologies contribute to responsible energy practices?
Ethical considerations in AI energy management involve resource allocation and environmental impact. Contributing to responsible energy practices requires optimizing resource usage, minimizing environmental harm, and prioritizing sustainability in energy management.
What ethical concerns arise when using AI in wildlife tracking and conservation? And how can these technologies support biodiversity preservation while respecting ethical standards?
Ethical concerns in AI wildlife tracking involve privacy and data handling. Supporting biodiversity preservation requires secure data practices, responsible tracking methods, and ethical considerations to protect wildlife and ecosystems.
How can organizations and policymakers ensure ethical AI practices in public healthcare systems, including issues related to patient data privacy and responsible AI driven diagnostics?
Ensuring ethical AI practices in public healthcare systems involves robust data security, informed consent, and adherence to medical ethics. Organizations and policymakers must prioritize patient privacy and ethical AI use in healthcare.
Explain the ethical implications of using AI in heritage preservation, including the digitization of cultural artifacts and historical sites. How can these technologies respect cultural heritage and authenticity?
Ethical implications in AI heritage preservation involve cultural heritage and authenticity. Respecting cultural heritage requires collaboration with communities, respecting intellectual property rights, and ensuring transparent digitization practices.